Ebusia ye mama wajo e mama akwaba eba Yorke FM afei so HYTV so. Ensema yensa aka no endede yi na ye de ba besom wo sanusia ene no nson kasebo. Ensema ebedi kasebo yi mu akotene ebi ni se. Afenyo makin eye imrase bedwani no ode ensem bi atudwa de okanya se omanfo a wowo eye law school mu no ne ye de ye wo no enye kra na ama adesua ewo honom no enkoye nti ye mbomode ase ye behwe ne yi ye de ani be kire MPP amanyokuo ni mu no na akopie mu wo honom de ya na chese makafui kofi wonyo e de futusem bi akwa ama won ose sebasabasa ye eni ntitimu ekoso de a afi 2024 abatuo no wontimi enya emu inkunimdie abusia ensem bi ekeka yenim ho ene ye de babesomwo ewo kasebo mu midin e de Okamafo Clement me na meke kan kasebo yi ade amawo ye twa ye ho anafe yaje nkrato ye ba ye beto akasebo no so
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yode minumie no ena ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi enumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba besomwo bo wode asa obehia eye me Okamafo Clement ene ma wedafo ewo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday eye 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a esi wo manim nyina emesomwo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minumie no ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no adi
Yama oka baba Yorke FM afei so HYTV so. Yeto akasebo no so na ya hyase de a. Ora afenyo makin eye deputy majority leader. Afei so oye MP ema eye efutu for na oye mrase bedwani pam. De oka nyina ne se de ekoso ewo eye Ghana Law School no enkoye kra. O se ama omanfo konkra endokra se wobetimi akosuku mu akotwero insohwe anase watimi akosua de oka nyina ne se wobenya akwanya na wakosuku nu mu akoka won ho no na wosuwasimi asua de no na akoya asempi de enti okasa nyina ne se omanfo anansen wo yese wobekọ suku nu mu no insohwe a wotwero no eho percentage wo se wonya ansa na wawura suku nu no na edoso dodo na odeto eye mimrahye bedwafo won anim no de kodru ya ne se waje atum se sisia no wonya max no emu 50% anase emu fana ye betimi ama ho kwan se ko eye Ghana Law School na wo so kosua ade abusia ye to akase boy dia na de ani ekire eye amanyoko MPP wona kache na kopie mu ewo honom dia na chese voter regional chairman eye makafui kofi wonyo no de afutusem akwama won nyina se wonbo modin ase wo bema kroye ene biakoye bibibiara akoyie pa ewo wontem na wose impempi no yeto aba ewo Ghana hanoma amanyoku oteso no otimi tina so impemienu na chese 8 years no anase imfie baako enwotwe no se Ghana anase MPP aban so person no so tina so eye imfie wotwe no na otra sa imfie wotwe na abeda ho na se amanyoko bia ba na chese imfie wotwe achi no yeyi na fi ho no o se MPP amanyoko no pese otra de a e wo se wo de biako ye edi djuma na wo pam eye basabasa ni intitimu afi so o se wo ma wonani da ho na wondi imra so o se sa nyama mienu we sa wodidi djuma ebema amanyoko no atimi apima ko wonim na watra eye na eye imfie nwotwe no a chese ye aban bia ba abenwane so na nche bia ya pamo no na foforo so aba.
Many special guests here gathered. My special welcome To our newly appointed MMDCs, both new and retained, congratulations on your appointment and confirmation. The party looks forward to a fruitful working relationship with you. You can always count on our support. And to those aspirants who could not make it, I wish to encourage you to continue to support and give your best. Let us all be reminded that the longer we stay in power, the greater the opportunities for us all. We have before us, in the near future, our polling stations, constituencies, and regional elections. And the process, as usual, is going to be characterized by unnecessary suspicion and mistrust. Let us be guided by the rules and the supreme interests of the party. At the end of the day, we are all members of the same family. But I must also serve notice that we shall not hesitate to enforce the rules and crack the whip hard and as and when necessary. We cannot break the eight in disunity and indiscipline. Breaking the eight requires united front and united action.
Makafui Kofi Wonyo eye voter regional chairman Emma eye MPP ono ene de ofutu semi etudwa abusuan ye to akase boyi so dia na MPP amanyoko no afutu sem no kwa na ekwa ma won na Kwesi Pratt eye managing editor Emma eye Insight newspaper no na ye nyina nim se papa yi no okasa onim de oka esanse watena Ghana amanyosem afei so yen sensem aya ebetodwa na eni kasebo no watena mu ache na papa yi ede afutusem ade akọ ama omampanyi abedi akire eye Dr. Muhammadu Baumia osi ombomodin se nitrim enye ne dekra na onhwe yie na onsua bibi efri kane mampanyi abedi akire Aliu Mahama osi na Aliu Mahama dwen se na ankobetimi abeye omampanyi ewo Ghana hanom nemu ekodi echire no na ni susu anase ni timu po nyina entimi ambem di oka nyina ne se enye no kreda se we vice president president free hope wona wo ba ntiombo modin se ni timu enye ne de nemu obetena se no wahwe yie no watoto ne nyema yie na afei so ne manfo anase MPP amanyoko no etimi enye gidie ewo nimu abusia yeto akase eboyi so nemu yebeje nkrato na yakoba yede kasebo ne mu chemu nyina aka no ebesomu
emu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yode minumie no ena ya yedi huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre amache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning yaboa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de babesomwo but what they answer obehia eyeme Okamafo Clement any my radio for ewo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa insema esi wo manim nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minumie no yadwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa Shiamen na yendwen oman no
abusia ya Simon akwaba ba eye Yorke FM afei so HYTV so yeto akase bono eso ECG eye ekuo bi a wohwe enyinam kanea so na wode sikapudo bi ahye dwumadie bi a eba beboa ama enyinam kanea no agina so afei so watimi ede akọ abefo impempenso so na managing director Emma eye ECG eye Kwame Ajiman ode nsem kakra ede atodwa abra na wo bie eye won bia ye foforo kra ano a beboa ama omanfo a wo importemu ahodo no ebetimi enya eho kwan na afede woni won edi dwuma na chese nsawonso no bibia akoyie na sei na ode ne nsem atodwa.
Learn with digitization trends. The company is also investing in technology to improve its engineering and operational activities beyond the civil infrastructures. With assistance from the government of Ghana, we are installing a VIT that is simply voltage current and time. It's a feeder automation scheme. This scheme is a system which automatically identifies and sectionalizes specific problem areas on our network in a coordinated manner for prompt and automatic gratification without having to cut off power supply to a wide area. Another improvement is the SCADA coverage of primary substations. This is another initiative which enables us to remotely monitor and operate our box supply points and primary substations to prompt, correct anomalies without human interventions. We are also introducing drones. These drones in our operational area is another remarkable step in improving efficiency in our operations and proactively monitoring our network for proper vegetational control and check the work of third-party contractors who have been assigned the responsibility to ensure non-interference of vegetation in our system. These help in reducing frequency and duration of outages. Another project is ongoing is the Express 33 kV feeder between Pando and Oi, and that will improve reliability of power supply to OT and Volta regions.
Kwame Ajiman, ECG one managing director. Yet work as a boy so dia na yede yeni eye national science and maths quiz no one akache na yenyina yenim se esukufo dodo na ya na wo pese wo court national science and maths quiz na infantipim na edu won so a wone eye agri memorial afei so wone TI amas na ekohia eye potemfo na eye bra wo koduru ho no a wode akansie ne ehyehyɛ so no na chese infantipim na afei de wotimi edi nkunim ewum na wode 69 points epa eye agri memorial ho agri memorial so ede 36 points and afei so TI amas so ede 23 points wo hweye enti no ama wonani ajepa chese enya asem ketwa na we no 18 stage a wadru chese wo bo won modin ase wo be kwakodru finals na bibia akoyi.
Once a time, Kenya was a butcher boy. He was at the Quadango, far away. Once a time, Bismarck was a butcher boy. He was at the Quadango, far away. Far away, far away, far away, far away, far away. He was at the Quadango, far away. For all the saints who from their labors who live by faith.
It feels good. Every victory feels good, so it's a good feeling to have won this contest. Yeah.
In 2019 and 2020, we didn't see a lot from Infantipim School. What should people expect from? We saw you in the regionals, and it looks like things have not changed. The quality is still, is still what we're seeing. What should we expect?
Well, we are going to take every contest one by one, and let's see what happens, because all our hopes are on God. So we cannot speak at the moment, but let's just watch out for our contest, because we are going to try our best in our contest.
Mmerante ya yehu won eye mmerante a wogina mu ama eye mfantepem suku na ahanum na yede kasebo ni nyina esi yenhwe niema edi akotene ewo kasebo yi mu afinyo makin ede afutusem akọ ama woni omanfo se wombo moden ase eye Ghana Law School no wobema no atimi aya attractive chese omanfo ekombedo pa se wonso betimi akobi NPP amanyokuo no afutusem kakra ewo ho edema won de makafu ikofi awonyo eka ne se wombo moden ase kroye ene pepepe ye ebekoso ewo wontem na afe de watimi adi nkunim ewo afe 2024 abatuo animu abusia ye de ani so ekire kwesi prat na kache na futusem kakra na owo ema Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ne se ombo moden ase ni tim enye ne de na mu obetoto ne nyema yie esan se Aliu Mahama ana kane no na nkoye Ghana mampanyi abedi echi no edru ne so no wantimi endi omampanyi nti ombo moden ase obehwe ne nsem ho yie abusia nsem bi eka ye nim ho ene ye de besom wo kasebo mu okenkanfo eye me Okamafo Clement na me kaibo se impanyinfo se de ofru di apano ene piano ena afei so etu obeto so a na ehia ochiginafo nti Yorke estate ena afei de wo so yasene se yemra wo umpotem na afei yemfa kasebo yi emrew Yorke estate se menka nche wo se eba no eye insase papa afei so adan a obe han ene ne ekeka ho de a fa wasem nyina ebedan Yorke estate for 10243 708485 024378485 na afi ene won endi insawonso kasebo no asi ochena yebeto aso
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne nade yode minumie no ena ya yedi huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning yaboa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba somwo bo wode asa obehia eye me Okamafo Clement ene mabedafo ewo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a asi wo manim nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minumie no yadwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no